Hi there, this is Jatawat Praveen Kumar from Triple IT Kota EC second year. My roll number is 2068. So now I am going to explain my Python project assigned by Vasishtha sir. In this I am going to explain the maximum distance between 2 points. From that I am taking my roll number 2068. On this number I will show the maximum distance between the 2 points. Now I will explain the code how to show the distance between 2 points. So you can see the code visible on my screen. This is the code. Mm, yes, this is the code. Now here we need to import we need to import the tkinter. We need to import the tkinter. We need to import everything, and for this we use airstrike. For importing everything, we need to use airstrike symbol. After that, we need to import tkinter, and then we need to import CSV. We need to import CSV, and then we need to import image. We need to import image from pill. We need to import image from pill, and then we need to import everything from the math library function. We need to import everything from math library function. Now, what is tkinter? What is Tkinter and what is used for? Tkinter is a framework, and this framework provides Python user with simple way to create GUI elements using the widgets found in the TK toolkit. TK widget can be used to construct buttons, menus, data field, etc. in a Python application. Now, what is CSV? What is CSV in Python? CSV defines comma separated values is a simple file format used to store tabular data such as spreadsheet or database. A CSV file stores tabular data in plain text. For working CSV file in the Python, there is an inbuilt module called CSV. Inbuilt module called CSV. What is PIL? What is PIL? Python imaging library. Expansion of PIL is Python imaging library is a de facto image processing package for Python language. It incorporates lightweight image processing tools that aids in editing, creating and saving images. Saving images. What is math is used in Python? What is math used in Python? For straightforward mathematical calculation in Python, you can use the built-in mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, but more advanced operations such as exponential, logarithmic, trigonometric, or power functions are not built in. Now, coming back to the code, we are going to create a variable canvas width. Canvas width. Canvas width. We are going to create a canvas width. We are going to create a canvas width of the window, and we are going to create canvas height for the height of the window. Canvas height for the height of the window. Now we are creating list and we are giving name to it as coordinates, and we will use it for storing the coordinates. You can see here the now we are creating list and we are giving name to it as coordinates, and we will use it for storing the coordinates. The next list is max coordinates. Max coordinates, which is also used to store the coordinates but max coordinates. The next list is distance, which is used to store the distance between the coordinates. Distance between the coordinates. Distance. Next we are using we are Next we are assigning tk function. Next we are assigning tk function to the variable master, and this is used to create a window. This is used to create a window. Now variable w is assigned to assigned canvas function, in which we are defining width and height, and master represents the parent window. Master represents the parent window. Now variable w is assigned canvas function, in which we are defining the width and height, and master represents the parent window. Canvas. Canvas master, comma, operate option equals canvas pack do. What does canvas pack do? The pack geometry manager organizes widget in blocks before placing them in the parent widget. It is used the options fill, expand and side. Determines if the widget keeps the terminal the minimal space needed or takes up any extra spaces allocated to it. Now we are defining a function and name of the function is drawn and the name subject suggests that it is used to draw on the image and color of the pen will be black. We are creating events in the both x and y axis. Now coming out of the function, image variable is assigned image dot open this image dot open of image. This opens the image and then we are going to resize the picture using resize function for that and doing image anti-alias. What is image anti-alias? Anti-aliasing is a technique used in digital imaging to reduce the visual effects that occurs when high resolution images are presented in a lower resolution and then using TK photo image image TK photo image. The image TK module contains support to create and modify TK inter bitmap image and photo image object from sorry, from PIL images. Anchor. What is anchor? What is anchor? Anchors are used to define where text is positioned relative to reference point. What does anchor NW mean? What does anchor NW mean? Anchor NW will position the text so that the references point coincides the northwest corner of the box containing the text. Now this is a code for finding the max distance between the two coordinates and the name of the function in find max distance. Next, defining another function for saving this info in Microsoft Excel, and this is the code of for it. We will open MS Excel and save the each and every coordinates using we will open MS Excel and save the each and every coordinate using the right rows. What is CSV.write? CSV writer class is used to insert data to CSV file. This class returns a writer object which is responsible for converting the user data into a delimiting string. A CSV file object should be opened with new line equal to, otherwise new line character inside the quoted files will not be interpreted correctly. What is the difference between write row and write rows in the CSV file? The technical difference is the write row is going to write a list of values into a single row, whereas write rows is going to write multiple rows from a buffer that contains one or more list. Then I'm also made a button and the name of the button is find. After clicking it, we would get the required results. Now I will run my code. This code I will run this code. After running this, we get a windows like this, and on this image we need to write our my sorry I will write my ID number 2068 and we need to click on find. Then we get a longest distance. You can see here the maximum distance or maximum distance is this, and if we want to see the coordinates, so we can see the here. Yeah, these are the coordinates. So like this you can find the maximum distance between two points. So this is my project. Thank you.